All right, welcome back to another Microsoft Monday for this Total OS Today live presentation. Early Monday morning, as I'm finishing up breakfast, I have some time before I start my day. Good morning, and how's everybody doing? We will be talking about some Skype alternatives for this Microsoft Monday. And maybe some of you have tried these. I don't know. I think I've tried one of these. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. For me, I will say that Skype has worked pretty well for both Linux and Windows, although with Linux I had to install the Snap package to make it work. And in Windows, of course, Skype works pretty good. I'm waiting for Microsoft to release the built-in voice recorder for Skype, and then we'll have a complete package. Matthias, good afternoon, or God afternoon, either way. How are you, Matthias? Welcome to this Monday morning, Microsoft Monday morning. We'll get started here in a few minutes. I don't think I've done a Monday morning chat. But I have a little bit of time to do the chat. We have Noah. Hi, Noah. What do I do for a living? Well, Matthias, I used to be in the corporate world. Worked for a company for almost 25 years almost. Up until last year, the company is no longer around. So I've been kind of trying to decide what to do besides trying to help my dad sell his movie. And they'll get a distribution contract deal for his movie. I've mentioned before doing that. I do work part-time here locally, and then I do this. So I really don't want to go back into the corporate world. I'd rather be doing this full-time, but we'll see. We'll see if we can get enough supporters for the channel, and I'll do this full-time. So there you go. I'm a survivor of the corporate world. William Armstrong. Welcome. Mr. Rizzo, welcome. Sunny afternoon there. It's kind of cloudy right now. Yeah, it's kind of cloudy. We're supposed to get thunderstorms, blah blah blah. How is it there? You are in Sicilia, correct? Robert Fitzpatrick, welcome, welcome. So yeah, if you guys, anybody out there watches this later on, if you would like to keep these live shows alive, do consider sorry, finishing up breakfast. Do consider, supporting the channel with Patreon or PayPal or Super Chats or whatever else you want to send the channel. Send me with the channel to the channel. This channel is community supported, so we'll see what happens. If I don't get enough support, then I'll probably have to go back into the corporate world, and that'll probably be the end of the channel. It's going to be hard to do that and do this full time, so I don't want to do that. Anyway. Yes. You are in Sicilia. So, how's the weather there in Sicilia? An amazing day. Good, good, good. Well, Mr. Rizzo, this picture here, this wallpaper that you see here, this is a place in Italy. Can you tell? There's a hint right here. It is North Italy. It is Lake Garda, Trento, Italy. Never been there. I believe it's close to the Austrian border. It looks beautiful. Never been there, but it's a nice picture. Whoever took it. Let me go ahead and transition here. I am doing this. I changed the settings, doing this in 1080p. I hope it won't buffer. It should be okay. Alright, you guys should be able to see this all now. Once again, music is from the YouTube audio library. if you're interested. Again, if there is anybody new out there, please do stop by and say hello. Don't be shy. We're all friends here. As you can see, we have friends from Italy, Sweden, and all over the world. Alright, well, I finished my breakfast, so we're going to be taking a look at some Skype alternatives. Now, I've only tested one of these, if I recall correctly. Like I said, so far Skype works for me. Some of you may not like Skype, or for some reason it doesn't work the way you want it to. So there are some alternatives. So why don't we get to that? Again, if you missed any of this, play it back. Alright. There's something called Viper. Rakuten Viper. Free and secure calls and messages to anyone, anywhere. I believe this is this for Linux? I don't know. Maybe just for Windows. I've heard of this. I have not had a chance to test this. Audio and video calls, high quality calls for quick hello or much needed face-to-face. Group chats, stickers. Oh, she's cute. Messages, and so on. Always secure. Our mission is to protect your privacy. This presentation, by the way, is not sponsored by anybody. This is just some information I picked up off the web. It looks like the company is a partner of FC Barcelona. Okay. Alright, sounds good. Okay, Android, iPhone, iPad, Windows, Mac, and Linux. Very good. Okay, multi-platform. So Viper sounds very interesting, I would say. Cool. Somebody mentioned this other one, WhatsApp. Of course, a popular phone app. Let's see here. Is an Android app, free to download. I believe somebody said this is for the desktop too, if I am not mistaken. I do not use WhatsApp. The next one is called Talkie. This appears to be web-based. You start a room, choose a name, and yeah, start chatting. Simple. Talkie. Good name. Charlie, good morning. Almost 1 a.m. where you're at. Oh no, I'm sorry, Charlie. Yeah, I'm trying to do some of these earlier in the day to you know, let some other people chime in. Wire. Okay, we can jump to Wire quick and take a look at that. All right, let's move on. Hello, Poison. Hello, Mugen. A link to the product would be. Well, these are self-explanatory. Viper, I mean WhatsApp, Talkie, you just type that in, yeah. This is called Framatalk. This is French. I had to translate this. Somebody recommended this. I have not tried this. Framatalk.org, and create, I guess, a room and go from there. I believe this was mentioned on one of the de-Googlefy your life, I believe. So check out Framatalk. Uvu's site cannot be reached. That's another option, but it's not working. I don't know why. I guess their website is down. Yeah. And finally, Appear.in. I've used this a couple times. It's a hit and miss, but Appear.in I've used before. I believe I did a conversation with Quidsup a year ago with Appear.in. And this seems to be okay also. Yes, Telegram needs a phone number to sign up, which is why I don't like it. Telegram doesn't do video chat. I don't know. But I don't use Telegram because they required a phone number. I'm like, okay, I don't think so. That's why I do not use Telegram. And let's see, Wire was the other one. Not Wired. I want Wire, right? It's just Wire, right? This is a free trial. Charlie, how much is this? I think you mentioned this before. Let's see. Teams mean business. So this is a business app. How much is this? Okay, doesn't give me a price. Wire when registering over the net, no number is needed. Okay, cool. It says 30-day trial, but it's not giving me a price, so I don't know what the price is. Jitsu. I don't know if I talked about Jitsu. Hi, Niemand. Welcome to the stream. Hope you are well. Total free use when private. Oh, this is free if you're using this for personal use? Really? Okay. Says free trial. Oh, download personal use. Experimental binary. Ubuntu app image Debian. Ah, okay, alright. Multi-platform, very good. Okay. And then what was the other one? Jitsu? Jiu-jitsu. Jitsi. Not jitsu. I have not taken a look at this, no. Multi-platform. Okay, well, you do have some choices, more than I thought. I don't know, those of you who've used this, which is the best alternative to Skype? You guys tell me. Because I don't know. I still like Jitsu. I use Jiu-Jitsu call. Linux Wire works well. I found Ubuntu Mate and Gallium OS with Windows and mobile. Even fixed the PC via Wire on a guy's mobile phone. Ah, okay. Alright. So Wire may be something to check out. Well, maybe we'll do a test one of these weekends. We'll do a live test. I will download one of these. Well, some of these you don't have to download. Maybe I'll download one of these or go online and test. I mean, up here.in I won't test. Tested before, it's okay. So you guys like Wire? App image. Should I do the app image or the deb file? It's multi-platform. Browser. Demon says you've been using Wire, friends, only Messenger over a year now, and you're very happy. Very good. Nice. Alright, I'll tell you what. I I don't have time to test this now, but let's go ahead and download the app image, and I'll save it for a later test. How does that sound? So wire, okay, alright. Very good. I won't test it now, but I'll take a look at that sometime this week. You've got the deb copy on the Chromebook running Gallium OS, Charlie, and then how does it working out for you? First of all, how do you like your Chromebook? Because I don't have one, at least not yet. Skype recorder. Let me see if Microsoft gives a date for implementing their recorder. Go to news. Doesn't give a date, just a press release. Yeah, no date yet for the recorder. Okay, but you can use OBS to record. If it's for video chat, yes. Destination Linux, I believe, uses Zoom, if I am not mistaken. I believe there is a time limit, Matthias, for the free one. These ones here I've looked at, I don't think there are time limits. Is that correct? But Zoom, I believe, has a time limit for the freebie. I forget how long it is, Matthias. But yeah, Zoom is another great alternative, yeah. Pay to use for the server, okay. Yeah, Zoom does work. I think Zoom is the perfect alternative for Skype. It's professional at work, it's just not free. I think Vimeo is a nice alternative to YouTube, but again, it's a pay service. Yes, I have heard of PeerTube. Is it live yet? Or are they still in crowdfunding? You did a video? Okay, on Gallium OS. So I guess the Chromebook is working out okay for you, Charlie? So PeerTube is live. No limits for wire. Okay. I'll take a look at it sometime this week. Looks like their crowdfunding is over. I thought I read something about this. So how would somebody do this? You can register. You have to host everything yourself. Ah, okay. Got it. Okay. All right. Yeah, the only as far as an alternative to YouTube, I think Amazon is going to do it, where like it won't cost you anything. But I think Vimeo, I've used Vimeo, the freebie, but you only get like 500 megabytes for the freebie, so it's not going to, it's not going to work. But the Vimeo is an excellent service. Since we're on the subject, yeah, $75 per month, billed annually, live stream. I mean, honestly, for all that they offer, it's not a bad deal. As you see here, I just don't have the budget for this. But this is definitely an alternative to YouTube. It's just, well, it's free to up to a certain point, just not enough. Not enough space for the freebie, but this isn't bad. Password protection, unlimited bandwidth, up to 7 terabytes total storage, up to 12 hours per event. I think YouTube does the same thing. Poison says, what, 75? Look, I'm telling you, Poison, this is, like, I'm not being paid by Vim. I'm just telling you this is a good service. You know, you can start with free basic, but you don't get enough. Yeah. Let me put it to you this way. If YouTube was gone, or it crashed, whatever, and I had to do something else, I would consider Vimeo. I really would, because it just works. You can see all the features here. Look, you get what you pay for. I mean, that's not going to change. So, all right, you know, no ads. Wouldn't that be nice? No ads. Of course, I'm not sure how the content creator would monetize his videos. I guess he would need Patreon or PayPal or something else. No choice. 100% human support team. Are you listening, Google? 100% human. Gee, what a concept. Community of creators and professionals. All right, well, you know, I don't want to make this a commercial for Vimeo. I'm just telling you that if I had the budget, I would try this. I would just pay for it and give it a shot. And you guys wouldn't have to sit through ads, but what are you gonna do? You can do a VPS droplet for 5 and run your own PeerTube Docker. Okay, well, I guess that ain't bad. Google has the upper hand because they have all their services integrated. But I agree, Amazon can compete, but the privacy won't be any better. No, that is true. That is true, Matthias. Amazon can do it. They've got the resources. And I think they're going to do it. But as far as look, there's been a lot of talk about, you know, canceling Twitter, canceling Facebook, you know, getting off of YouTube because of privacy and security. But here's the thing: your life, you are already on the World Wide Web. So canceling those features or those services does not secure your privacy, because your life has been already on the web for years. For me, since the 90s. So, you know, ostensibly, say canceling Twitter or Facebook, you know, it's a nice gesture, but it's not going to make you more private, because once you get on the web, are you really private? That's strictly my opinion. You know, I'm not condoning what they're doing, but that's the reality of it. Twitch, I believe, is more for gaming, if I am not mistaken. Do they offer AdSense revenue? Yeah, I think it's mainly for gaming, which I do very little gaming. The stream gets deleted after some defined time. I did not know that. Okay. OBS, you can save offline in Steam. Okay. Yeah. Right now, as far as a freebie, which costs me, well, I mean, there's a split in the ad revenue, but you're right. There's no upfront cost. With YouTube, it's free. If I had to go a paid service, hands down Vimeo, because I trust them. Yeah. Charlie been banned off Facebook 10 times? Okay. Twitch does ads and donation stuff. And they have a thing like Super Chats. They do? Well, that's interesting. Then Twitch might be something to consider. I believe somebody said I can simulcast on YouTube and Twitch. But if that's accurate, I'll take a look at Twitch, sure. Yeah. Anyway. I'm going to wrap this up here soon and get moving. And you can sub to a streamer. So apparently you guys think Twitch is okay. All right, okay. Let's check out some Microsoft news for this Microsoft Monday. And let's move on. As far as Skype goes, I got two versions of Skype. I got the Snap and the I can't think, Deb file. Take a look at that real quick. Yep, my name on Skype is Fagetta. Oh no, what happened? It went wrong. I don't know what happened. Well, it was working. I may have to verify something. Anyway, it was working. Twitch is joining YouTube, Twitter, and censoring non-left political stuff. Censoring non-left political stuff. People are now using goodbye instead. I have no idea what's going on. Yeah. I'm not sure what's left or right nowadays, Charlie. I'll be quite honest. So, Johan, how are you? Johan, I did this just for you, so it wouldn't be too late. So I hope you're happy. EB is doing Gen 2 live. Oh my God, did something hit him in the head? How's my stream look here? Looking good? Okay, alright. I'm in the green still, very good. He's doing Gen 2, really? My goodness. Anyway. The Microsoft emblem that turns you off to Skype. Okay, well, there are alternatives. Give them a shot, man. Let's see. Microsoft gains cloud share. 1 billion reasons to celebrate cutting-edge Microsoft Surface. Really? Microsoft boosts Office 2019 by 10%. Oh joy. Microsoft is planning to a service to keep Windows 10 bork free for cache. Okay. Let's see here. Socialism is left now, and center and right is Western democracy. I don't know. Trump wants to give $12 billion to the farmers. That's a nice bit of socialism there, Charlie. I don't know. Anyway, let's see here. Microsoft celebrates a bumper financial year. Well, good for them. Yeah, Slackware one-man team. I guess he had some problems. I'm not sure what's. I mean, I don't use Slackware, but I kind of feel bad. Surface Sharp has it have cutting edges. I don't have a Surface, so I don't know what's going on, Matthias. The National FFA organization of Microsoft announces a partnership. Oh. Okay. Microsoft's next generation Xbox will focus on xCloud game streaming. Alright. I actually turned on my Xbox last night, the 360. It's been months. I was playing James Bond, the game called Bloodstone. I still enjoy it. It helped me fall asleep. Microsoft's Outlook Dark Mode is now live. Feel the power of the dark side. Anyway. Microsoft is now a major player in healthcare. Uh-oh, look out. Microsoft wants to give $4 million to 2 female-led startups. Well, good for them. That was a cool thing on the web about female politicians running for the midterms. It says, females brought politicians into this world, and females will take them out in the midterms. I love it. I love it. Okay. I got it, Matthias. Sharp edges and a knife, and with the knife you can cut. Yes. Playing with words. Understood. Okay. Did you hear that someone uploaded LibreOffice to the MS when Tim started asking $3? Really? And the LibreOffice team didn't do it, sometimes getting free. That's pretty smart. That's pretty... Microsoft is the dark side. I know. Microsoft wants to win back the consumers it let down. Interesting. Well, give us control of over our data with the major on-off switch. It'll be good to go. Of course, it's too late, but yeah. Windows beta news, yeah. Yeah, Microsoft is working on a folding pocket computer. Interesting. Alright, let's try one more news.google.com and then I need to get moving. Politicians are like assurances, they suck. Yeah, that seems that way. Let's see here. Trump threatens to shut down the government. Yes, that'll work. Just threaten everybody. What do you think about some distros appeared on the MS Store? I haven't looked at them. Yeah, I don't know. Evil Step Twin, yeah. Let's see here. The iPad Pro is about to get incredibly courageous. Don't know what that means. No Man's Sky is a game. Go Yankees. What will humans eat on Mars after they colonize the red planet? Well, they'll eat some cannoli, some cannolis, hey, some pasta, some lasagna. Of course, it'll be an Italian planet. See what I'm saying? Anyway. Alright. 5-minute last call, 5-minute warning, last call for comments and suggestions, rants, accolades. And then I'm done for this early Microsoft Monday. Yugen has been hacking Windows for years. Sounds like fun. Charlie, you going to move to Linux on your gaming system? Okay. Windows 7 and a 7 PCIe pass-through VM. Okay. All right. Nothing wrong with that. Yes, hydroponic pasta and veggies. I wonder how that would taste. I did enjoy the movie called The Martian a few years ago. It was pretty good. Too many years, MS stick to their MS-DOS, which is one of the Windows issues. Well, it's nice to have you here again, Johan. Hope everyone has a terrific day. I don't have a date yet for the next private chat, but I will send out an email and let you know. What topic should I do? Those of you who contribute through PayPal or Patreon, what topic should we talk about privately? I just realized I gotta finish cutting grass before it freaking rains. StarCraft 2 base game is now free on Battle.net. Ah. Okay. Got released for free yesterday. Very good. Thanks, Charlie. Heat wave, yeah. Yeah, we've been lucky the past few days. You can see right now it's 70. It's actually kind of cool for this time of year. We got storms coming in, so I need to finish cutting grass, yeah. Yeah, that is great news. Saving 40 Australian dollars, is that what it is? Awesome. That's on Battle.net. Okay. Yeah, I haven't had cutting grass yesterday. Most of it didn't take that long because you know without the rain it doesn't grow that long. It's mostly brown, but I don't care. Alright, I believe I am done for this Total OS Today live presentation of Microsoft Monday. Hope all of you have a great week. Keep in touch, and we shall talk soon. So, thanks everyone for joining me on the chat. Those of you who watch this on the replay, if you're new, consider subscribing and supporting the channel. And yeah, keep in touch. So, take care. Ciao.